Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, the snipping tool is not working on your computer right now. Fix. First method is right click start button, click task manager. Select snipping tool, click end task. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Third method is type group policy in Windows search bar, click edit group policy. Click and expand administrative templates, click and expand Windows components. Click and expand tablet PC, click accessories. Open do not allow snipping tool to run. Check not configured, click apply, OK, exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.